Koloni lingqina abantu abangaphansi kwewaka abathe bosuleleka i-COVID-19 ngemini. Yaye bathe rhatya ke-6,500 abangekaphili.
The reduction was observed in all districts in the province. Buffalo City had about 49.8% reduction in the number of newly reported cases, followed by OR Tambo at 41%, Sarapatman at 40%, Nelson Mandela Bay at 36%. Phenomenally, as on the 2nd of August, 98.1% of the results of SARS-CoV-2 were available within 72 hours.
Kunikelwe utyalo-mali olungange-4 million rand kule lebhu kwinkxaso-mali esuka kurhulumente waseJamani ngenkampani evelisa izithuthi uVolkswagen.
We also analyzed and recommended improvements to the NHLS testing processes to increase efficiency. With a full staff complement, these improvements would increase the testing capacity to over 3,000 tests a day.
Eliphondo lingqine abantu abangapha kwe-79,000 abosulelwe i-COVID-19 yaye bangapha kwe-70,000 abaphile qethe. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingulwando Nomoyi,